This tutorial covers how to download Microsoft Remote Desktop to your Mac OSX computer, how to set up an Argus server connection, and how to access your Argus server from that connection. In order to download Microsoft Remote Desktop for OSX, launch the App Store. The App Store, depending on your version of OSX, may be in your dock or in your Applications folder. Once you have launched the App Store, search for Microsoft Remote Desktop. If you have not downloaded Microsoft Remote Desktop before, this gray bar will list the price, free. Click on it once, it will turn green and say download. When you click a second time, it will begin to download. If you have installed it before, but have uninstalled Microsoft Remote Desktop from your computer, this gray button will simply say install. Click once and it will begin to download. If, like me, you have it already installed, the bar will simply say installed. Once the download has begun, or if you already have it installed, simply exit the App Store. Once the application has downloaded, it will be listed in your Applications folder. Again, depending on your version of OSX, that may be in your dock, listed as a folder somewhere on your desktop, or simply accessible through the Finder window. To open a Finder window, go to New Finder window, or use the Command N shortcut. Select Applications from the Finder window, and scroll down until you see Microsoft Remote Desktop. Double-click to launch the application. If this is your first time installing and using Microsoft Remote Desktop on this computer, you will not have any existing connections. If you have installed and uninstalled the program, you may see connections already listed if those connections were not cleared out before the application was uninstalled. In my case, I already have one connection listed here. If this is your first time using the program, there will be no connections listed under your desktops. Regardless, to add a connection, simply click the New button. From the Edit Remote Desktops window, you'll need to fill out your connection name, PC name, username, and password. The connection name will be how this connection is listed under your desktops. Let's just call this Tutorial Connection. The PC name is the address of the Argus server, and typically that will be the name of the server at arguscloud.net. The PC name will be provided to you by Argus. You do not need to change the gateway settings. Your username will also have been provided to you by Argus, and typically will be your email address. Your password will be provided to you by Argus as well. This may initially be a temporary password. If so, enter that password, and when you log into Argus, you will be prompted to change the password to a new password. Once you have done that, you can change the password stored here simply by highlighting the connection and clicking Edit. Once you have entered your password, simply close this window and all of its details will be saved. To launch a connection to your desktop, either select and click Start, or simply double-click the desktop connection name. Once you do so, Microsoft Remote Desktop will connect to your Argus server and launch and log in to your desktop. In order to log out, simply go to Start and select Log Off to exit your Argus session. Once the system exits, you will be returned to your regular desktop. If you have any questions about the information contained in this tutorial or additional questions about Argus, please visit our website www.argushostingllc.com